Hello, little friend. Today we'll count seashells from 6 all the way to 10. And each one has a brand new color. Six orange shells. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pink shells. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 teal shells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 brown shells. Let's count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 white shells. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count them all again. 6 orange shells. 7 pink shells. 8 teal shells. 9 brown shells. 10 white shells. That's 6 to 10 colorful seashells. Great job, little friend. See you soon for more ocean colors.